How to turn on TikTok profile view history. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Then, click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Make sure you're logged into your account. After you're in your profile, you will find footprints like option at the top right corner of your screen. Simply click on the footprint like option. Then click on Turn On at the bottom, which is Turn On Viewer History. After you click on Turn On, you will be able to see all your TikTok profile view history in here. And this is how to turn on TikTok profile view history. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.